Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to insert your own pages into your teacher planner. For example, if there's a form that your administration wishes that you fill out often and you're trying to keep that paperless as often as you can, that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. So please bear with me as I go back and forth from my laptop to my iPad. So first thing I'm going to do is this is my 2020 to 2021 digital teacher planner, and I'm just going to show you some generic form that I used this year and how I would insert it into my teacher planner and how you will find that form once it's inserted. So I'm going to switch you over to my laptop real quick. Okay, so I know the glare is like a little bright, but this is just a Google Doc of something I use every year. It's like a 50 days to state testing plan where I like to write all of the standards because I want to review, briefly each of them, which students I work with individually and what date I completed. So instead of bringing up my laptop every single day and filling this out, this was something I would like to have on my laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and press File, Download, and I want to download this as a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and download that, and it should show up at the bottom of your screen once it's downloaded. So here it is, and I'm going to click and drag this to my desktop just for easy access. You can also open it and hit File, Save As, and then put it on your desktop as well. But I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Please don't judge my messy desktop. So here is my 50-day to testing plan, and it is saved as a PDF. So for Mac users, my suggestion would be to airdrop this PDF to your iPad. If you're not a Mac user, you can email that PDF to your iPad or device, or you can save it to your Google Drive and open it up on your device that way. So I'm going to go ahead and airdrop this to myself and make sure that my iPad is being able to be found. I want to right click and click share, airdrop, and hopefully my iPad, oh, nope, my iPad's on do not disturb. There we go. Now my iPad is showing up. So now it's going to send it on over to my iPad, and I'll show you what that looks like. So now that it's shared with my iPad, AirDrop is asking how I wish to import it and open it with. And I want to open it with Goodnotes because that's where my planner is. So I'm going to select Goodnotes, and I want to import it to the current document. I don't want a new document. Okay, so now this is inside of my planner, and it actually imported it after the page that I was on, which is not a big deal because that can be moved around here inside of what I like to call the waffle. But what I wanted to show you is that if you wish to find these pages again soon, you can do a couple of different things. You can bookmark them by once you click on them, the little bookmark highlights, and then it will come up under your favorites. Another option would be to search the title. So mine was 50-day testing plan. As soon as I started to type that in, it came up. So this is one way you can use, and I can like start writing here, whenever I'm ready to. Of course, my Apple Pencil died. But I can start writing here and highlighting, and I can use this as a template, and I can move it to wherever I wish for it to be. But since I put the bookmark button, that made it a favorite. So that makes it easier for me to access it whenever I'm ready. And even though it wasn't necessarily part of the planner, it will work that way as well. So the only issue is you don't have the tabs. Now, what you could do, if you wanted the tabs, is to screenshot this and then have a page where the notes are, or a template, doesn't really matter which one, or a template, and you could insert it on top of that template, make copies of one of the templates, and then you would have all of your links as well. So that's another option when you want to insert your own file or your own template. Now I can still go back and type in 50 days and it's right there. It knows exactly where to find it because it's going to search for that text. If for some reason it's not searching for the text or not finding it, you can always use your handwriting. Okay. So again, this was to insert one of your templates inside of the Digital Teacher Planner. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them down below. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.